This particular machine was developed and designed for the purpose of testing remanufactured torque converters. This will allow you to adapt any torque converter into the machine via these test plates, along with the different test cups that hook up to your variety of different torque converters. As you can see in the rack with this particular setup, we're supplying that with 8 different adapters. This can be done with as many adapters as what's necessary. By placing the torque converter on the test plate, starting the cycle, this will enter into the machine. The door will come down to protect you. We will engage it. We will fill it with the proper amount of fluid, and then we will apply up to 1,000 foot-pounds of torque and test. Via the library that we build and store within the computer system, the machine will know the amount of torque required to pass that torque converter. If that amount of torque is achieved, then it will light up as a pass, and the machine will open and feed the torque converter back out to you. If it does not achieve that torque, it fails, and it takes a manual reset to bring it back out.
Okay, so the company this was developed for have acquired a Chrysler contract, that's right?
Yeah.
And Chrysler has stated that they need this criteria to pass or fail.
Exactly. These are the different Chrysler ones they rebuild. And they have supplied us with the torque specs that those different torque converters should meet.
Okay. Right, let's fire her up.
Green light's indicating the machine is active. We have selected the torque converter we have. Our software tells us which adapter to use, which plate to use, and a bushing in the plate. It tells us what type of ATF to hook up to, which we are automatically connected to and automatically fed in. It tells us the amount of the ounces of volume, which it does that automatically, and it tells us the foot-pound spec that it has to meet. The machine is equipped with safety buttons that have to be held until the machine has it in place and the safety doors down. We're now filling the torque converter. And once it's filled, pressure will be applied. Now we've been in a torque test. As you can see, we achieved the standards of the set. We got a pass. It all comes back to us. It's ready for the next torque converter.